Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This foldable smartphone has just hit the market, and we're here to break down its features, specifications, and everything you need to know. Section 1. Overview. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold launched on August 13, 2024. With a sleek design and powerful features, it aims to compete with other foldables on the market. But what makes it stand out? Let's find out. Section 2. Design and display. Show close-ups of the device. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold features an impressive 8-inch inner display with a resolution of 2152x2076 pixels. It offers a stunning 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. The outer display is a 6.3-inch screen, also with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This design allows for a seamless transition between tablet and phone modes. Section 3. Performance. Cut to performance benchmarks. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is powered by the Google Tensor G4 processor. This means you can expect fast performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. With 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. Section 4. Camera system. Show sample photos taken with the camera. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold features a triple rear camera setup, including a 48MP main camera, a 10, 5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10, 8MP telephoto lens. For selfies, it has a dual camera setup with two 10MP sensors. The camera performance is solid, though it may not be as advanced as the Pixel 9 Pro's cameras. Section 5. Battery life. Show battery usage statistics. The device is equipped with a 4,650 mAh battery, supporting 45W fast charging and wireless charging. This means you can quickly recharge your phone and stay powered throughout the day. Section 6. Software and features. Show the user interface and features. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold runs on Android 14, which brings several new features. It includes Gemini AI integration, enhancing user experience with smart suggestions, and improved photo editing capabilities. Plus, Google promises 7 years of software updates, ensuring your device stays current and secure. Section 7. Multitasking capabilities. Demonstrate split-screen functionality. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is its multitasking capabilities. You can easily use split-screen mode to run two apps side by side. This is perfect for productivity, whether you're checking emails while watching a video or browsing social media while messaging friends. Section 8. Price and availability. Show the price tag on the screen. Now let's talk about price. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is priced at Rs1 $72,999 in India. It's available in two colors, obsidian and porcelain. You can grab one from major retailers starting today. Section 9. Final thoughts. Cut back to the host. So, is the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold worth your money? With its stunning display, powerful performance, and impressive camera system, it certainly has a lot to offer. However, it faces stiff competition from other foldable devices. Outro, show the host wrapping up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Is it on your wish list? See you in the next video.